joining me today. Mickey's feeling a little chilly today because it's very snowy outside. He has his sweater on to keep him warm. Since it's kind of snowy out, we thought it would be a great time to practice some snowman rhymes and snowman songs and read some snowman stories. Today, we're going to teach you a rhyme about a little snowman. So I'm going to get my little snowman out. Mickey, can you move over so the little snowman has some room too? Back up a little bit, Mickey. There we go. Sit nice. Thank you. Here's my little snowman. He has a carrot nose. This is how the rhyme goes. I also need my bunny. There was a little snowman who had a carrot nose. Along came a bunny, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny, looking for his lunch, nibble, 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 crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh no! What did he do to the snowman's nose? He ate it. Let's put it back. We can do this rhyme also with our hands. If you don't have a bunny and a snowman at home. There was a little snowman who had a carrot nose. Along came a bunny, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny, looking for his lunch. Nibble, 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 crunch, crunch, crunch. Why don't you try it with me? This time, I'm going to leave some words out and see if you can remember. There was a little snowman who had along came and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny. Nibble, 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 crunch, crunch, crunch. Did you remember all the missing words? Good job. I also have another way we can practice the poem. I have a bunny puppet. I printed out a picture of a bunny and added a stick. And I have a picture of a snowman here who has a nose. And his nose can go off and on for the poem. Let's try it out. There was a little snowman who had a carrot nose. Along came a bunny, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny, looking for his lunch. Nibble, 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 crunch, crunch, crunch. Good job, kindergarten. You can print out this poem and the little puppet and carrot on my Teachers Pay Teacher site if you'd like to. Thanks for practicing the Little Snowman poem with me today. I hope you had fun. See you next time.